Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number BL6211 US15. This is a flexible doorstop in a satin nickel type finish. Certainly very complimentary. Certainly not going to be true satin nickel because of the base material, but it is certainly very complimentary. The concept of a flexible doorstop like this is that they are quite effective at stopping the door. Very nice. The fact that they're flexible is very handy. There could be a situation where you have a corridor and then you have a coat closet on one door, and that door can actually swing 180 degrees. Well, that door gets open because it's like a left-hand reverse. It swings out of the coat closet naturally. Bring it all the way back, and you really want a doorstop there to prevent the lever, knob, whatever from going into the wall. A flexible stop like this is handy because should you make unintentional contact with it, you know, that flexible sort of feature to it might just exactly save the day from someone from falling. You know, things of that nature. Plus also, this very construction of it being flexible allows it to be very inexpensive. So the point of the matter is maybe not such a big deal if you're doing just a couple of these, but imagine if you had to buy several hundred or more of this product, and sure, you know, it makes a lot of sense. Very easy to install. You're obviously just going to pre-drill a hole. There's a feature on the end here where you can put a box wrench and just quickly tighten that down, or maybe a socket sort of feature that you'd have. White sort of tips. At this time, I do not believe that these tips are replaceable. If they are, we will update the item to the link to the replaceable tips. If there is no link there, then they are not available. The dimensional properties, Hager has this at 2 3/4 inch stop length. Well, I would say that's wrong. From the face of the wall, if that's where you're attaching it, it looks like an overall length of about 3 inch. Tip diameter is 7/16. Probably not such a big deal to know that, but nonetheless, we've got a width over here of the spring flex steel at about 3/8 of an inch. Okay, base diameter is 3/4 inch. It's nice to know that. Looks like it's a bit shy on that. Flexible. Available in lots of different finishes that will complement. A US10A, which is an antique bronze. A 10R, which is a more consistent sort of flat antique bronze. US15 satin nickel. Satin chrome, polished brass, satin brass, and antique brass. So pretty much in all of those instances you'll get everything to hit most of your installations. If you're doing polished chrome, this would be the closest to what you're going to have in a polished chrome on this. If you need a true architectural finishes, of course you'd want to look for something not flexible and something made of brass, a brass-based material rather than this zinc alloy. The name Hager is synonymous with all things trim and auxiliary hardware as it pertains to not only residential material like this, but commercial hardware as well. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line product catalog and review all things Hager hardware related. Again, not only trim and auxiliary, sliding tracks and hangers that you'd use in commercial and residential use, lock sets, exit devices, door closers, electrified hardware, weather stripping. They have a comprehensive offering of aluminum continuous geared hinges, but it's their namesake, Hager hinge, that people most notoriously know Hager to be a company of. But it's much more than hinges. That link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can familiarize yourself with their full line catalog will allow you to know exactly how broad of a spectrum of hardware that they offer in the marketplace. Any questions on the Hager BL6211 in a US15 satin nickel finish or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.